Place your camera so it clearly captures both the charging outlet and the vehicle plug area without obstruction. For optimal coverage, aim the main camera at a 30 to 45 degree angle from the charging station so it records the connector, the outlet, and the plated area simultaneously while minimizing glare from sun and reflective surfaces. Use a close focus or variable focal length lens to allow a secondary camera or a zoomed-in view that can capture the connector latch and the license plate within 8 to 12 feet for reliable identification. Mount cameras at 8 to 10 feet high to prevent tampering while keeping faces and hands within frame and avoid pointing directly at bright windows or reflective surfaces, which cause exposure problems. Use manual exposure or high dynamic range settings if available to balance bright backgrounds and shaded foregrounds. If your charger supports network alerts, integrate camera motion triggers with charger event notifications so you get a time-stamped clip when charging begins or is interrupted and confirm connection integrity remotely. Add a motion-activated floodlight, aim to reduce shadows and improve low-light detail without blinding the camera sensor, and place the floodlight off-axis from the lens to prevent bloom. Secure conduit and housings to protect wiring and position cameras so routine maintenance tasks do not block the primary view. Common mistakes include angling cameras too wide so the connector is a tiny object in the scene, which prevents identification. Fix this by adding a secondary close view and adjusting focal length to keep the connector occupying a meaningful portion of the frame. Another issue is mounting cameras too low or within reach, which invites tampering and concealment. Mount higher and use vandal-resistant housings and encrypted feeds to lessen risk. People also rely solely on camera recording and neglect real-time alerts, so incidents are discovered hours later. Enable live alerts, link camera events to charge state changes, and store clips off-site for immediate review. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options that match their EV charging and driveway needs. We also help contractors find work and engage with potential clients and fellow professionals through our discussion community where users and installers share placement tips and product experiences.